If you're looking to rent a scooter in Hua Hin, there's an absolutely fabulous woman who runs a scooter rental shop in town. Her name is Poom. She's so easy to deal with. No hassles, no bullshit, no tricks, no scams.
I'll come back until later or tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
And the shop is centrally located with a wide range of scooters, including 125cc, 150, 160, even some 300 and 400cc bikes. There's new ones and older ones, with a range of prices depending on your choice. The newer 125cc will cost 200 baht per day. That's 645 American or 880 Canadian. Prices are fair and reasonable, but they vary. Some of the older ones can be less than that. She also provides a delivery and pickup service, so you can order directly from your hotel. I think she has about 80 scooters for rent, but in the busy season they go quick, so call ahead to reserve. The best way to reach her is by phone, or you can just go to her shop. It's easy to find and easy to get to. There's no need to spend your time scouring the internet trying to find a good scooter rental place. Poom has got you covered. Guaranteed she'll help. And again, no bullshit, no hassles, no scams, no tricks. It's definitely the most pain-free and easy scooter shop I've ever dealt with.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Thank you.